Welcome to LAVCA 5th grade ELA Read Alouds in Study Island. Today's topic is idioms, adages, and proverbs. Open your Study Island lesson and be ready to listen and follow along. Then you'll be ready to open this topic and complete 10 practice questions. An idiom is something authors use in their writing to make it more exciting. It is a word or saying many people in a certain place or area say. There's one important thing to remember about idioms. They do not mean what they say. The literal meaning, what is really said, is different from the intended meaning, what is meant. For example, someone might say to you, "Break a leg." This does not mean that they want you to really break your leg. It is a saying some people say instead of good luck. Another example would be someone saying, "You got up on the wrong side of the bed." It does not really mean there is a wrong side of the bed. It means that you woke up cranky or angry. You might miss a day of school because you feel under the weather. The real meaning has nothing to do with the weather. It means you feel sick. Idioms are hard to teach, so it's better if you memorize the ones you hear. Make a list of some idioms you hear. Learn them. Also, use context clues to help you figure out what they mean. An adage or a proverb is a saying that is believed to be true. It is often short and is based on people's experience over time. An adage or proverb is often used by people for a long time. It is believed to share wisdom. For example, birds of a feather flock together means this is people who are similar or have things in common often spend a lot of time together. The clothes make the man actually means what you wear affects how people treat you. Practice makes perfect really means practice is the key to mastering a skill. I'm going to read the following passage and you can follow along, and then we'll answer some questions. Every morning before leaving for school, Sahara looked at her bicycle in the garage. She wanted to take it for a ride, but she was always running late. It did not help that the front tire seemed almost out of air. One morning, Sahara also noticed something sticking out of her back tire. She looked closer and saw that it was a sharp piece of plastic. Once again, Sahara was in a hurry and ran to school. When she returned home from school, Sahara decided to ask her brother Samuel for help. "You should have taken the plastic nail out of the tire as soon as you saw it," Samuel said. "Why didn't you clean up the garage before storing your bicycle here, sis?" I was always in a hurry." Sahara presented her excuse, feeling bad. "Can you fix it?" "No." "You need a new tire," Samuel said. "Next time be more careful. You could have easily avoided ruining the tire." Sahara was about to lose all her allowance and her birthday money on the new tire. Now, which adage best relates to the passage? Is it A, "A stitch in time saves 9"? B, "Stop and smell the roses"? C, "Two heads are better than one"? Or D, "Look before you leap"? Now let me give you the adage meaning. So a stitch in time saves 9 is talking about if you take some time to do something now, it will save you time later. Stop and smell the roses refers to taking time to enjoy life. C, "Two heads are better than one" means two people working on a problem might be able to come up with a better solution than one person working on the problem. And "look before you leap" refers to being careful and noticing everything you need to notice before you make a decision or before you do something. So I would say, given the choices, that "a stitch in time saves 9" would be the best choice for an adage for that story. And it says, the passage shows that Sahara does not fix the problem when it is small and ends up having to pay a big cost for it. If she had cleaned up the garage or taken the plastic nail out of the tire on time, she would not have lost the whole tire. If Sahara had fixed her small problem on time, she would have enjoyed her money for other things.